morning. It was really privileged to be part of the jury members of the upcoming SaaS Cloud Conference and Awards organized by Edworth Media. As part of the jury member, we really focused on how organizations have developed their cloud strategies in terms of dealing with the new business opportunities, in terms of their revenue growth, in terms of meeting the expectation of the beneficiaries and service seekers. The other areas which were focused during the selection process were really on the innovation and different kind of cloud usage these organizations has gone through, whether it is a private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, or kind of a multi-cloud approach, and what were the outcome and throughput they have achieved through leveraging of the cloud platform at large. I really congratulate all the winners who have made to the list and wish them good luck for their future success. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Thampiraj, Director General at CCICI. Let me explain how did we go about selecting the awards. We had 9 categories of awards. For each category, we have come out with 7 to 9 parameters on which the award nomination can be evaluated. The parameters include metrics such as revenue, size, impact, innovation, and compliance. We have received over 25 nominations and all were reviewed by the jury panel, and each member has provided a score for each parameters independently. Then we have consolidated all the scores from all jury members and picked the 9 nominations with the highest scores. That's how we have come out with the award, finalize the awards. Thank you.
Cloud being the basic pillar of any digital transformation, I believe recognizing the innovations in this field is very much necessary. I'm happy the SaaS Cloud Conference focusing on disruptive business models fueled by cloud technologies is the right platform to recognize the cloud innovations. We as a jury selected the award categories and final winners with lots of brainstorming, followed by unbiased and stringent processes to select the final winners. Heartiest congratulations to all the participants and the winners. The recognition is well deserved, and such recognition will definitely fuel more innovations. That's what I believe. All the best.
Very good morning. I am Golok Kumar Simli, Chief Technology Officer, Passport Seva Program, Ministry of External Affairs. I am really honored to receive the Award of Excellence in Digital Governance and Contribution to the Citizen Services. I really dedicate this award to my senior management, my team members, the service providers who is working hand in hand with us. This award really encourages us to do more while dealing with the citizen services at large. We at the Passport Seva program trying to leverage the power of digital to its maximum, use of and leveraging of emerging technology, be it cloud, analytics, big data, machine learning, RPA, so that we give not only to our users and stakeholders the kind of environment and digital kind of enablement they need, but also to the service seekers and beneficiaries and masses at large. So thank you once again for the award.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored and grateful to receive the award for the best cloud infrastructure as a service from the Cloud Computing Innovation Council of India. I would dedicate this award to my highly committed team and partners who have worked as a cohesive team to realize our vision of cloud first strategy. I would also like to thank the jury and EduWorth on behalf of my organization. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, my name is Viren Italia. Hope you are all safe and during the testing time and COVID-19. I feel proud, happy address you for this question. Have you selected this award and this category of the best of SaaS? I am excited to lots. I thanks everybody who are party in select process, evolution, my effect and experience. Keep a part of bad side of COVID-19. We can see the positive side of it also. As many of the business are using technology solution, their business continuity. SaaS solution benefit have been largest preference and even daily routine also. Consider the capex and opex cost of convenience software service scenario against the SaaS. It has benefited great extent and customer above all. The subsidiary and selectability has take the top most improve. Now I am happy to part of this great journey. Thank you everybody again.
Everyone. We are glad that we have participated in Cloud Innovation Awards. And thank you so much, Edworth, for recognizing us and awarding us the Best Software as a Service Award for our product called API Critic. I'm a founding member of Entersoft Security as well as I head the sales for the company. We have been in the market from the past 9 years, helping our customers with application security, and we offer a unique methodology towards security testing with the help of certified ethical hackers. During our course of testing APIs, we have realized the importance of API in digital transformation and in a lot of other ways for the companies, and we've seen how fast the companies are adapting APIs. So so with the help of our team of ethical hackers, we have come up with this product. So this product has come up with an extensive research, the manual scripts that we have written, and the patterns that we have collected through our testing of APIs. So how API Critic helps you is with a penetration testing report on your APIs, which is quick, and you can get a report within minutes. It's easy. It's easy to use. It's a SaaS based solution. There's nothing for you to install. You just have to configure your API on the SaaS product, and it takes few minutes for you to get a secure a penetration testing report. And the best part is you can be rest assured that this the result that the product gives has no false positives in it. You can just straight go and fix the issues on your applications. I mean the API. So thank you so much for recognizing us for this award, and I think we are glad and we are honored to receive this award. Thank you.
We are humbled and exhilarated to be honored with this prestigious Best Cloud Innovator of the Year award. At DKIX, innovation for us means ideas that need to have impact. And it is crystal clear and imperative for us to address the silent challenges that the enterprises face in their endeavor spanning across the digital transformation of their businesses, IT agility, customer centricity, product and service innovation. Direct Cloud exemplifies the product innovation required by the industry to seize the growth that lies ahead once normalization kicks in, and also in today's trying times. It helps them optimize on Apex and Capex very seamlessly. One access port giving access to Direct Cloud, wherein we have 4 cloud service providers: AWS, Azure, Oracle, and Google. But that's not all. In Germany, we have 52 cloud service providers, and very soon we'll add more on our cloud exchange here in India as well. But in a short span of time here in India, we will also be launching Microsoft Azure peering services on the same access port, whereby the enterprises will find it more helpful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for this award, and it is my privilege to accept it on behalf of ICICI Lombard and ICICI Lombard Technology team. We like to call ourselves as a technology company who also sells insurance, and I think this is a motivation for all of us to continue to work even harder and to achieve many such milestones going ahead. I would like to thank definitely my team who has worked hard along with the WiserGos team who has helped us in implementing this technical solution. Also, our business team, customer relation team, they have worked very closely. All 3 teams have worked very closely to achieve where we are, and this award is a validation that we are going in the right direction, where we keep customer as a center and bring in technology innovations to design solutions that helps the customer have a much better and richer experience. I would like to thank Edward Media, Cloud Computing Innovation Council of India for this award, and especially the WiserGos team. Thank you so much.
Juries for selecting me for this award. Office 365 deployment across TCS was a huge activity, and we have come up with a onboarding portal through which we could able to do the deployment using end users itself. That is the uniqueness about the overall approach. We have come up with a portal where we have given the option to the end users for doing license assignment, package deployment, mail migration, even mobile enablement. Everything was automated completely, and that is huge success, which actually reduced our overall timelines from 5 years to 1 year, and that actually helps TCS during the current pandemic situation where around 335,000 employees across TCS we could mobilize with the enhanced collaboration features during the pandemic situation, and which actually makes TCS seamlessly continue the customer deliveries in spite of having tough times like this. On behalf of Office 365 deployment team, as well as TCS infrastructure services team, as well as digital workplace team, I will like to accept this award and thank everyone for the same. Thank you very much.
Good morning and good afternoon. This is Mrinal Chakraborty from DTDC Express. DTDC Express is a homegrown name. We are there for the last 30 years, India's third largest express distribution player. We are very proud and very privileged that we own this coveted award for ZaaS cloud conferencing solutions, and we got it into the machine learning and AI and business automation categories. What we did during this pandemic, that we were a pretty Excel-driven organization, as you know, almost all of us. But during this pandemic, what we did, we have collated the two streams of data, one for sales and one for operation, and moved into a public cloud environment, onto a BigQuery environment, and from there we processed the data and connected a Tableau online so that business can get a real online insights of the entire data, both from sales support and operation support. During this pandemic, when actually we were struggling, this kind of data analysis really put for our business on front, and it was I must say that it's a complete transformation happened. What has happened last 9 months? Entire business, the top leadership, nearly 200 of us, moved into a complete agile mobile-driven analytics solutions. And thanks to this cloud provider, thanks to Tableau to make it happen, and thanks to the jury board and members that to select of this project as a coveted winner. I must say thanks to the cloud provider, thanks to the entire corporate IT and the business solution team.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege to be accepting the award for the best cloud migration. I would like to thank Edward Media for initiating such an award, and to all the jury members who have selected me as the winner. It's a very proud and humbling experience for the team and all my co-workers to be getting this award. The team did a fantastic job in migrating terabytes of data spread across hundreds of VMs and 15 different technologies to create an organization-wide impact. The migration helped us with the multi-million-dollar benefits, around 15% of one-time cost savings, and creating a new revenue stream. It also helped us reduce the time to market for our products. I would like to thank the team members who were involved in the migrations and their family members who have sacrificed while we were doing the migration. Thank you very much.